cancer hates. That's what we want to give the body an environment where cancer cannot thrive.
What if I told you that the foods you eat every day could either nourish cancer cells or help starve them? This isn't just a theory. It's a reality backed by extensive research. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cancer-fighting foods and uncovering how you can create an environment in your body where cancer cannot thrive. Prepare to learn about powerful vegetables, herbs, and the transformative potential of green juices designed to combat cancer without relying on fruits. Plus, I'll share a surprising bonus tip from Dr. Barbara O'Neill that could change your approach to nutrition forever. Cancer is one of the leading health challenges we face today, affecting millions around the globe. However, recent studies suggest that certain dietary choices can significantly influence cancer development and progression. In this video, we will explore the top cancer-fighting foods and provide you with 2 unique green juice recipes that are entirely fruit-free.
So when someone comes to us with cancer, we suggest they have no fruit for 6 weeks.
Stick around until the end for a surprising bonus tip grounded in research that could revolutionize your understanding of how to combat cancer through diet. To establish credibility, let's refer to experts in the field. Dr. Otto Warburg, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, discovered that cancer cells thrive in low-oxygen environments and consume glucose at rates 15 times higher than normal cells. This crucial insight highlights how our dietary choices can create an environment conducive to cancer growth. Surprising insights. Many people are unaware that an overly acidic body can promote cancer cell proliferation. Foods high in sugar and processed ingredients contribute to this acidity, making it essential to shift our diets towards more alkaline options. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that cancer hates an alkaline environment. By shifting our body's pH balance towards alkalinity through diet, we create conditions where cancer cells struggle to survive.
How do we get it out of the body?
The power of vegetables in cancer. Prevention vegetables are vital for maintaining optimal health and fighting cancer. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain compounds called glucosinolates that help detoxify carcinogens from our bodies. These vegetables are known for their ability to inhibit tumor growth. Have you ever thought about how incorporating more cruciferous vegetables could enhance your overall well-being? Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and collard greens are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting your immune system. Isn't it fascinating how something as simple as leafy greens can have such a profound impact on our health?
There are herbs that will kill fungus and won't kill you. Isn't that good news?
2. The role of herbs and spices. Herbs and spices into your meals can provide significant health benefits. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in tumor cells. Could adding turmeric to your diet be an easy way to boost your cancer-fighting arsenal? Garlic, known for its immune-boosting properties.
Garlic is a strong one, but don't use all your ammunition at once.
Garlic has been linked to reduced risk of certain cancers due to its ability to enhance DNA repair and reduce cell proliferation. Have you considered how these everyday spices might be working behind the scenes to protect your health? 3. The importance of healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial for brain function and hormone regulation. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with antioxidants and has been linked to lower risks of breast cancer due to its ability to reduce inflammation. Isn't it interesting how healthy fats can play such a vital role in preventing disease? Avocado oil. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocado oil has been shown to support heart health while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Could incorporating these healthy fats into your diet help create a more hostile environment for cancer cells?
So is all cancer caused by a fungus? Well, not necessarily so.
The fungal connection. Emerging research suggests a link between fungal infections and cancer. Fungal overgrowth. Some studies indicate that fungal infections may contribute to cancer development. Dr. Tullio Simonini has noted that many cancer patients have underlying fungal issues.
A person can have fungus in their body and not have cancer.
Could addressing fungal overgrowth be the key to improving your overall health? Natural remedies. Incorporating antifungal foods like garlic and olive leaf extract into your diet may help combat these infections. What if treating fungal overgrowth could be part of a comprehensive strategy against cancer? Now for the game-changing tip you've been waiting for. Incorporate green juices into your daily routine. These nutrient-packed drinks can significantly boost your intake of cancer-fighting foods while avoiding sugar-laden fruits. Green juice recipe number 1, green detox juice. This juice is loaded with powerful ingredients designed to support your body's natural defenses against cancer. 2 cups, kale or spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 stalk celery, 1 small beet for sweetness, juice of 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil for healthy fats, water as needed. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly. Chop the cucumber, celery, and beet into smaller pieces. In a blender, combine all ingredients with water until smooth. Strain if desired for a smoother texture or enjoy it as is. Imagine starting your day with this refreshing drink that not only tastes great, but also helps create an alkaline environment in your body. Green juice recipe. Number 2, spicy green power juice. This alternative green juice adds an exciting flavor profile while remaining focused on cancer-fighting ingredients. 1 cup Swiss chard, 1 jalapeno, remove seeds for less heat. 1 carrot, 1 cup parsley for detoxification. Juice of half a lime. A pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption of nutrients. Water as needed. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly. Chop jalapeno, carrot, and Swiss chard into smaller pieces. Blend all ingredients together with water until smooth. Strain if desired or enjoy as is. Imagine sipping on this spicy juice that not only invigorates your taste buds, but also supports your body's natural defenses against illness. Bonus tip: intermittent fasting. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes another powerful strategy often overlooked in dietary discussions: intermittent fasting. Research indicates that intermittent fasting can have significant effects on cellular repair processes and may even enhance the body's ability to fight off diseases like cancer. Intermittent fasting allows the body periods without food intake, which can lead to reduced insulin levels and lower blood sugar levels, both factors associated with decreased cancer risk. During fasting periods, autophagy occurs. This process helps remove damaged cells from the body, potentially reducing the risk of tumor formation. To incorporate intermittent fasting into your routine, start with a simple 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours each day and eat during an 8-hour window. By combining an alkaline diet rich in vegetables with intermittent fasting practices, you may create an even more hostile environment for cancer cells while promoting overall health. Thank you for watching. We hope this information empowers you to make informed dietary choices that could significantly impact your health. Have you tried any green juices or intermittent fasting before? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.